Hi everyone, this is Paul Lang from Disciplined Trading Strategies with this week's Trade of the Week video. This is for the week ending July 29th of 2018. The stock was WDC and this occurred on Friday the 27th, first thing in the morning. This is based on a Tier 2 gap with an entry on a 1-minute secondary sign of weakness. The management was advanced and the reward to risk 1.9 to 1. Before we look at that play, just a quick reminder, it's a busy week at DTS this week, especially for the free stuff. There's a Wednesday event I am doing called Great Setup, Maybe Not. That's at 5 o'clock. And on Friday, August 3rd, is the kickoff to the seminar cycle. And you are able to attend that first class, the Introduction to Mastering Technical Analysis, whether you are a seminar program member or not. And this seminar cycle also is going to include the Mastering Options class, just FYI. Back to the play, this is the daily chart for WDC, and that red bar that you see there is how the daily chart looked at the end of the day. Naturally, at open, the stock opened right at the top of that red bar. It had cleared a significant area on the daily chart, which doesn't necessarily mean anything. But the stock, because of this overall setup, was able to be upgraded to a Tier 1 type of entry. Here's the 1-minute chart, and you can see that opening bar there where the stock opened, and then the second bar of the day was where the entry was found at 73.99, stop at 74.61. The stock dropped very fortunately initially, and a first quick target was taken. And you can see on that rally back there, a little relief face as that rally back did not take out the high. The stock fell and then continued lower. I wish I did a little better job on the second target. It started to bounce at the prior low, and I just barely got nicked out. Third target was a great target though, just almost all the way to the low for the day. Would have been nice to have both target 2 and target 3 were near the low, but that's how it goes sometimes. So overall, very nice trade and done in 30 minutes. I want to point out it's nice when you get a stock like this, but to me, you need a little variety on the screen. As you know, I don't just do gaps. When there's a great gap out there, I try to focus on that. When there is a great hourly chart setup or a daily chart setup, or if something happens later in the morning, I try to find the best of the best to look at, because every day is a little different, and on some days you just don't have that great gap setup or whatever it is. So I look for the best of whatever is available. This day, the WDC proved to be the best. There were 4 gaps I was looking at. There were some good ones. 3 of them just simply did not do what I wanted them to do, and this one was perfect. So it was a Friday. We like to close up early at the DTS trading room on Fridays, and this was an exceptionally good day because we were done by 10 o'clock and started the weekend early. This trade, like all the others you see in the Trade of the Week videos, are done in the DTS trading room. Come join us if you are looking for a day trading room. We try to focus on only about 3 hours a day of trading in the room. That may vary from day to day, exactly when it is or how long it is, but we try to get the job done in a limited amount of time. I do not think it's beneficial to sit there and stare at the screen all day long. This is Paul Lang from Disciplined Trading Strategies. Until next time, good trading, everybody.